Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This video shows two beautiful gadget. Do not drag the video to the end. Number 1, ARRMA Outcast. ARRMA RC Truck 1 and 5 Outcast 4x4 8S BLX Stunt Truck RT are ready to run. Transmitter and receive include batteries and charge require ARRMA 5810 brand ARRMA model name 1x5 Outcast 4x4 8S BLX stock trucks. Power source battery. Materials aluminum, metals, rubber, steels. Produce dynamics 31x26x14x8 inch 40 pounds. Number 2, Microbot. Microbot is the world's smallest and longest 6-axis collaborative robot. Scientific, produced by Elephant Robot and M5 stocks. It is more than a prototype, too full of imagination, can carry on the secondary development as him. According to the demands of using a ship, personalized, customized with a weight of 850 grams, a payload of 250 grams, and an arm longest of 350 mm. My Colobot is compact but powerful, cannot only be matched with a variety of inter-effect of aspect to the different kinds of application. Science also support the secondary development of multi-platform software to meet the needs of various sensors such as scientific research and educational, smart home, light industry, and missing of enjoyed robot world. Elephant Robot design and development. Microbot, the world's smallest and longest collaborative robot, returning most of the function and industrious robot with compact and elegant design, excellent and powerful platform, and high software and hardware development space. Microbot has unlimited possibility is application expense. You can get new review gadget video in this gadget channel. The video that will be shown now in electronics gadget, necessary gadget for your everyday life. Do subscribe to gadget channel and press the bell button. Please like, comments and share. The link is given in the description below. Let's go latest gadget videos.